Okay, so I epoxied the IKEA butcher block with the glaze coat from basically Amazon. Guessing most epoxies are generally the same. This one worked pretty good. You need a few pieces of equipment. Number one being a heat gun to take out the air bubbles when you pour it. Two being the spatulas, are little plastic putty knives. Get out of the paint section at Lowe's or Home Depot. Same with the measuring devices. You're gonna need a few of those, depending on what size countertop you're actually doing. Because in this room, I mean, mine was pretty big. Another thing is you're gonna want it level when you are pouring, so it does level itself. It is self-leveling. With that in mind, you're gonna need a dust-free environment, and I poured these generally in place. I mean, I slid them out a little bit and then poured, but I put down drop cloths, which was not a good idea. I would recommend plastic. Just put down plastic, then you're not worried about drips and anything getting on anything you have. So plastic, definitely, not drop cloths. Spatulas, heat gun for taking out bubbles. There's not too many. Pour it, it'll self-level, sets up in a few hours. Yeah, and it turns out pretty decent. You can kind of see. You can kind of see the dust that was in the air. I mean, I would have tried to do it outside, but there's way too much dust. So I did it in here, even though there's a lot of dust in even this. And it's not that clean right now, too, since I've been working on putting the sink in. So I hope that helps. Once again, it's IKEA butcher blocks. All I did was put down the epoxy, set up. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, bye.